Hey guys, it is Annabeth, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on this eyeshadow using this. It's a limited edition Tarte palette that I bought, and so this palette comes with this lip balm, whatever, and this mascara. And so I'm going to be showing you how to get this look with this and these. And so just really hope you like the video. If you don't mind, if you want me to show you anything else, any other interesting makeup tutorials that you would like to know, please leave it in the comments down below, and like and subscribe, and don't forget to tell everybody that you know. Please go to subscribe to my channel and like my videos to get me a lot of those views. And so let's go ahead and move on to the tutorial. Okay, see you at the end. Bye. So first off, I'm going to be using Mary Kay primer. And I'll only just use a little bit because this covers my whole entire eye. So I'll use about that much on my eye. So like I said, I was going to go ahead and use my new palette. I ordered it for $25. It came with this and these. This is a mascara, and this is a liquid lip paint. That's what it says. And they're all from Tarte, and this all costed $25. This is what it looks like. I like it, but so we're gonna go ahead and let that dry. So I'm gonna go ahead, skip forward to doing my eyeshadow. Okay, so now this is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and start using my blending brush, but I have these other brushes. This is what they look like. There's a big difference between these. This one is more flat. I have to learn the difference between these. This one, it's flat, but it's more for blending, just the way the texture of the brush is. And this one's just, I don't know, I never really use this one much, but they look the same, but they're actually not. So I'm going to be using this brush instead to blend it easier. But right now, I'm going to be going in with Wink. Right there. So now I'll be using this one. It's called Crush. So now I'm going to be using a darker shade, which I'm going to have to blend with this e.l.f. brush. I do not know what it's called. It's more of like a little angled brush. It's weird. But I'm going to be going in with this one right here. It's called Heartbreaker. So now I'll be using this brush to okay, so now I'm going to be using this one with this brush. It's called BFF, and I'm going to be using this kind of in my crease, like right around here. Now I'm going to be using my normal blending brush by Morphe. Okay, so now I'm done with this palette. I really do like it. It's really pigmented. I think it's really pretty. So go check it out. And now I'm going to be doing my eyeliner, and this one I'm going to be doing a wing with. And right now I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Oh, and if you want to know how to make the perfect winged liner, then please leave in the comments below and I'll make a video on that. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my waterline, and underneath my waterline I'll be using this angle brush by Morphe for underneath my waterline, and I'll be using the palette again, and I'll be using the BFF shade. I'll be using the Maybelline Lasting Drama Pencil for my waterline. So now I'm going to be taking this white one, and I'm going to just use it a little bit right here to make my eyes pop more. So I'm going to go back with my eyeliner, and again I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. That light is killing me. So now I'll be using the Tarteist mascara, and it reminds me of a little sample. Like it's because it's a really small container, and this thing is like half its size. So I'll be using this for my mascara. Has really good volume to your eyelashes, I've noticed. Okay, so I'll be using a Tarte lip paint. Okay, so now we are done. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you want me to do any more videos, let me know in the description below, and please like and subscribe. Okay, bye guys.